Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up the device and opening Wi-Fi settings. Make sure airplane mode is off so radios can scan. Next, locate the network name or prepare the router's WPS button. This saves typing long keys. If you plan a hotspot, enable it on a secondary phone or laptop and set a strong password. Once done, choose the SSID from the list. You need only Wi-Fi. A SIM is unnecessary for local internet access when a network provides connectivity. You now authenticate. Pick the network, input the password, or press the router's WPS button. Timing matters, so act within 2 minutes. Once connected, verify the security type is WPA2 or WPA3. If not, update the router. Also change the default admin password to prevent unauthorized changes. If a captive portal appears, open a browser to trigger login, or, if DHCP fails, set a static IP with correct gateway and DNS, so your device can reach the internet reliably. Finish by testing a web page or ping to confirm internet access. If pages load slowly, check DNS settings and speed. If you cannot connect, restart the router and device, then forget the network and rejoin. This clears cached errors. As a last resort, enable USB tethering or a portable hotspot from a second device to share internet. Troubleshooting tip: if captive portal won't load, switch DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and restart the browser. This often resolves stuck login pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.